Hey there, welcome to Money Mindset Hub, where wealth begins in the mind. Every day, millions of people wake up, go to work, earn money, and repeat the same cycle again and again. This cycle is known as the rat race. And for many people, it never ends. Not because they are lazy, not because they lack ambition, but because they were never taught how to escape. In today's video, we'll break down exactly how the rat race works, and more importantly, how you can get out of it. 1. What is the rat race? The rat race is a cycle where your income depends entirely on your time. You work hours, you get paid. You stop working, income stops. At first, this seems normal, but over time, it becomes a trap. Because your time is limited, no matter how hard you work, you cannot multiply your time, and that means your income has a ceiling. 2. Why most people stay stuck? Most people stay in the rat race for 3 main reasons. First, expenses grow with income. Second, they rely only on salary. Third, they never invest. This creates a cycle: earn, spend, repeat. And because nothing is growing, nothing changes. 3. The quick escape. The key to breaking free from the money rat race lies in changing the way you look at it. Instead of simply chasing coins, you need to figure out how money can work to benefit you. This means putting your emphasis on things that generate returns. Examples of things that generate returns are assets. When you don't have work happen, these assets still bring in income. That's the essence of financial independence. The best time to practice: begin by pondering over your income. Take control of your spending habits. Establish a small saving routine consistently. Once you've done that, gradually consider getting into investing. Even if it seems like just a tiny amount at first, make sure to persist. Over the years, your investments will steadily grow, and at the moment, your hard-earned money starts working more effectively for you. You move forward from being merely a worker for money, truly having your money work wonders for you in return. Hence, you're no longer a mere employee for money, but rather a money-driven employee who positively impacts your financial journey. You don't need to be stuck in the rat race. It's about getting a grasp on the system, then taking a different path. It takes some time, effort, and discipline, but trust me, it's totally possible. Just start now, and your future could be so different. Get hooked on Money Mindset Hub, where we don't just talk about money stuff. We are showing you how to create more much needed freedom.